Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me, Dishan Hormaz, and back with another hot crypto project. Today, just I want to give you complete detail about HNT and all the related link about this one project you will be get in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. Right now, you can see if you look to the main HNT, you can see this is a listing on KuCoin. And if you look to the dear KuCoin user, KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another project, great project coming to our platform. Helium HNT is now available on KuCoin, supporting pair are USDT and BTC. So means that if you look to this HNT, we will be able to buy this one with the pair of USDT and BTC. And if you look at the main schedule of this one project, you can see deposit effective immediately, supported mainnet, and training will be aligned 5 January on 2022, and withdrawal will be on 6 January on 2022. It means that if you want to withdraw this one project from one exchange to another exchange, like from Binance to KuCoin or from KuCoin to Binance, then you will be able to withdraw this one project from January 6 January 2022, and the trading will be on 5 January 2022. And after that, if you look to this one project, you can see this is a total supply of this one project, and this is a market cap of this one project. And also you must know about it, I am never miss this coin and projects who are upcoming time, they have a listing or events, or they have a more and more potential, so I'm directly uploaded about those projects. So you must be subscribed my channel, because you can see there is a different massive projects for all of you if you are joined to this. So I hope you will be get a massive profit from this one project. So just I want to come back again to main post of the KuCoin. Right now you can see I just want to give you some introduction about the HNT. The Helium blockchain is new open source public blockchain created entirely to incentivize the creation of physical decentralized wireless network. Today, the Helium blockchain and its tens of thousands of hotspots provide access to a large LoRaWAN network in the world. So this is just detail about the Helium. If you want to, so you can also go the official page of this one project, and you can also simply open the white paper of this one project, because white paper is also too much important, you know about that. Because if you look to the white paper, we directly understand that what can they done in the past and what will the use cases in the future of this project. And right now I just want to open the main white paper of this one project, and you can see this is all detail about this one project. And I also place the different links of this one project in the description box, so you can check them all one by one. But right now I just go and search about the roadmap, because roadmap is also too much important. And if you look to this one project have a more and more potential. And right now I'm just looking for roadmap, but right now I think so they didn't show the roadmap in their white paper. But I am directly come back, and right now I just want to show you on coin market cap. You can see in 24-hour down low is 38.68 and high is 41.85, means that this is different in 24 hours of low and down. And right now I just want to go and just click on the refresh button, because I'm also looking for trending line of this one project. But if you look to the all-time high of this one project, I just want to go tell you about the all-time high. So all-time high 55.22, means that 27.32% off right now. This is 2 months ago. So means that if you look to the all-time high, so all-time high is also if you want to pick up this one project, so this is also right now off from the all-time high almost 27.23%. And if you want to pick up this one project, I just want to give you some detail. If you want to pick up this one project, so you simply pick up this one project from Binance. You easily find out this is from Binance, and the symbol of this one project is HNT. So if you root the HNT, so you simply buy this one project with the different pairs from Binance. And I just want to go and detail some. I just want to give you some detail about the main website of this one project. So you can see simply a new way to mine crypto. By developing a simple device in your home or office, you can provide your city with the millions of low power network coverage for a billion devices and earn a new cryptocurrency HNT. So buy GPU mining, build network, choose your hardware. And right now, if you look to the use, massive decentralized connectivity, hundreds of companies and thousands of developers are already built on the people network that ultra-just and fastest growing LoRaWAN network. Thousands of existing solutions in sensor devices and gateways can be easily configured to run long FI, a powerful blend of LoRaWAN and blockchain technology. And this is some detail about get started on Helium console today. So after a many months of work and testing based on community feedback, the team is excited to announce update to console. The team not only worked on new features and capabilities but also focused on making sure migration to the updated console would be seamless for existing user. So this is, if you look to the Helium is used by, so you can see this is a different type of, and this is used by them. And if you look to the core technologies, so this is basically a new technology. If you want, so you can also get it latest new from this main website. So if you look, so you simply search about that and you can simply find out everything about this one project. And if you want, so you simply get the main app of this one project from Play Store and as well as from App Store. And this is all detail about that. I'm just trying to go and so give you some detail about the community. You can see 135.8k followers, means that community is also too much better. So if you want, so you simply and must be taken entry in this one project, because this one project have a more and more potential in upcoming time, and they will be a huge one day. And this is all detail about this one project. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss an update from Zishan Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video.